Hi there, Sydney Brown here with the Writing and Publishing for Beginners channel. Today we're going to talk about the importance of a blog for writers. You know, the important question that everybody needs to know is, do I need a blog if I'm a writer? One of the things that you should ask yourself, in this digital age, writers often wonder, is there a reason to have a blog, or, does, Amazon do all the marketing for me? Why do I need a blog? But what we're going to delve into here in this video is talk about, the pros and the cons of blogging and explore how a blog can help you grow as a writer, build an online presence, and connect you to your readers. So let's dive right in and discover if a blog is a right choice for you. So the top 10 benefits of blogging for writers. 1, showcase your writing skills. Obviously, if you're a writer and they want to get to know you, you're able to show them, I can write here, look, and I know I'm kind of mocking it a little bit, but at the same time, it really is the proof that you're a writer. So it'll show them your voice, your skills. It'll show, do they vibe with you? And that's something that's important. And not just readers are following you, possibly. You may find that agents or publishers are also following your blog. So keep that in mind. Number 2, it helps you build an online presence. Having a blog will help you establish your personal brand, your build an online presence, which is obviously essential to promoting your work and connecting you with readers. Don't underestimate the value of that connection. Number 3, develop your writing skills. Now, regular blogging encourages you to practice your writing, obviously, and to refine your voice, to show, not just to improve yourself, but to show how you're developing as well. It's gives you the opportunity to experiment with different styles or genres too. Number 4, connect with readers. Now, this is absolutely one of the best reasons to have a blog. A blog allows you to interact with your readers through comments or emails, and it helps you develop a loyal audience. If you have comments turned on your blog, now you do want to be able to monitor them, obviously, because if trolls are leaving behind little gifts for you, you want to be able to get rid of that. But the two-way communication with your readers is something that is really important to people in today's world of, we want the authentic. Number 5, generate income. Now, monetizing your blog is possible through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content to earn additional income alongside your writing career. In fact, you might find that you make more from those other ways of monetizing than you do from your book profits and royalties themselves. Number 6, create a portfolio. A blog serves as, a portfolio of your work. It makes it easy for potential clients, publishers, or agents to review your writing style. Number 7, networking opportunities. So blogging can create connections with fellow writers, industry professionals, or influencers, expanding that network that you're building, and creates an opportunity for collaboration, joint ventures, anthology projects. All of these things can come from just having a presence out there. So absolutely, the network opportunities that's reason enough by itself, in my opinion, to have a blog. Number 8, Boost creativity. You know, the process of brainstorming and researching, writing your blog post can stimulate your creativity, and it generates ideas for future projects. So it's like I don't know if you find this to be the case with you. I obviously do, but it's kind of like you're writing this story, this book, and in doing that, when you're doing a blog post about something, you're like, oh my gosh, I should do that. And so then you have to stop and write down, you know, this idea for another book. And then you type a little bit more. And then you're like, oh man, I need to do this. So by the time you've done one blog post, you may have the ideas for 3 or 4 more stories to write after that. Your creativity just flows once you start writing. And if you're doing a blog post, it's just like a writing prompt. You know, it will create that creativity. Number 9, improve SEO. Now, a well-maintained blog with regular high quality content can improve your website's search engine rankings, making it easier for readers to discover your work and you. Don't ever learn to utilize keywords. I'll stop there for now. We'll talk more about it in another video, but improving your SEO is very important. Number 10, establish authority. By sharing valuable information or insights on specific topics or in your genre, you can position yourself as an expert in that niche or genre. All right, guys, that is the top 10 on the benefits of blogging for writers. Stay tuned and we'll go into a little bit more about the benefits of blogging. All right, Sydney Brown back again. Let's dig in now to the top 10 tips for successful blogging. Now, number 1, obviously you want to define your goals, determine the purpose of your blog, establish clear goals, and you want to be able to guide your content and strategy toward that goal. Number 2, choose a niche. So you want to select a niche or a theme that aligns with your interest, your expertise, your writing goals, because that will attract your target audience. Number 3, develop a content plan. Now, creating a content plan means you're going to outline topics, your posting frequency, promotional strategies to maintain consistency and keep your blog organized. Your content plan is very important, and it helps your audience learn if they can trust you to be there for them at the pace that you show them that you will. Number 4, engage with your audience. Now, obviously, this to me is one of the most important because it encourages your readers to interact with you through comments, emails, social media, and you respond back. You know, that's something that the new technology of, you know, the modern day writer, we have the ability to actually become friends with our readers. Now, in before, you know, the years and generations before, they either had fans or they didn't, but they probably didn't know their fans. They didn't know who was reading them. And it's so much better nowadays because we're able to really get to know our fans. And I love that. But engaging means you respond. So don't hesitate to engage back. Now, obviously, if you have someone creeping on you or something like that, you don't have to be nice if they're being ugly to you. But if someone is just being nice and kind and loving on you, then yeah, why wouldn't you respond? So engage with your audience. Number 5, utilize visuals. You know, one of the great things about having a blog is you can enhance your blog with relevant images, videos, or infographics that make your content more engaging or visually appealing. So in a regular book that you're writing, you may not have the photos that you would in your book. So it's kind of nice for your audience to be able to get to know a little bit deeper, more visually with what you're talking about and your niche. Number 6, promote your blog. You want to share your blog, share the posts on your social media, share it in your writing communities, as long as you're allowed to, don't spam, and your email newsletters. Increase the visibility any chance you can, because it's that building and that attention building that you're creating that is also building your audience and then your future customers. Number 7, optimize for SEO. So when you implement SEO best practices, such as using keywords, headings, meta descriptions, you improve your blog's search engine rankings, which then, of course, builds your audience. Number 8, collaborate with fellow bloggers. Now, this may seem kind of counterintuitive because you may think of it as competition, but don't, because there are so many readers out there, and you really can benefit by helping each other. So connect with other bloggers in your niche for become guest posts, interviews, joint projects, joint ventures, to expand your audience and network. You help each other, and your reader is, they love you both. You're both pretty. Number 9, monitor your analytics. Now, this may seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but don't let it intimidate you. The analytics usually are pretty obvious and easy to follow. You want to track your blog's performance using tools like there's Google Analytics to identify popular content, audience demographics, different things like that. Once you know who likes you the best, you might be able to pinpoint your ideal avatar or your ideal client. Number 10, stay persistent. And usually when I do these top 10s, my number 10 is almost always something about not giving up. Stay persistent. If you're going to do something, do it. Do it all the way. One of my favorite life mottos is all in or nothing. Don't waste your time if you're not going to stick to it. It's better not to do something than to do it halfway. But stay persistent. Don't give up. If it doesn't build an instant following, that's okay. Give them time. They'll find you, but don't stop looking for other ways to build the audience. The other thing, just be patient, stay connected, stay committed, and your goals matter, and getting your story out there matters. Continually refine the strategies, but never give up. All right, guys, there you have it, an overview of the benefits of blogging and some writer tips for creating a successful blog. Now, ultimately, whether or not you need a blog, that really depends on you and your personal goals and your preferences. I really do believe that you should not start it if you're not going to stay, committed to it. However, a blog can undoubtedly offer numerous advantages, from honing your writing skills to building an online presence and connecting with your readers. Connecting with the readers being the most important, in my opinion. As always, guys, I hope you found some value here. Please like and comment below. Let me know what your best takeaway was. If you have any questions or would like to see other videos, feel free to ask down in the comments, and I will absolutely look at the possibility of getting some more video content on here for you. If you would, please make sure you're subscribed. I do appreciate it, and your subscription and likes helps keep this content free. I hope you follow me on Just Sydney Brown pretty much on any social media, and I look forward to getting to know you.